and welcome to this new video. And in this particular video, we will be sharing and I will be describing the hiring criteria, the incentive part, and about the company's Spareshub. So, Spareshub is hiring for the inside sales executive role. And before wasting any time, let's move on to the incentive part. So, the hiring incentive here for the job role is 11,980 rupees for every candidate which gets hired, and interview incentive is 500 for per candidate who gets up to the interview round. The profile incentive is 100 rupees per profile, which matches the hiring criteria for the job role. The number of positions here are 3. You have a chance to earn 30,000 rupees in if you are lucky and if you have some good candidates. Now, before searching out the candidate, you must know the hiring criteria. So the hiring criteria is the company name is Spareshub, the job role is inside sales executive. The open vacancies are 3. The experience required here is 2 to 4 years, and it should be in the B2C area. Like the candidate should know how to deal with the consumers. The language required here is Tamil, Telugu, and English, and these are the 3 compulsory language the company needs the candidate who must know these 3 languages. The fixed CTC here is 3 to 5 lakh per annum. The office location is in Pune. The age criteria here lies between 25 to max 31 years. So make sure you should not search for the candidates who are more than 35 years, not even 32. The work type is on site. The education requirement is graduate. There is no mention of the timings, but it is as per the Indian standards. The industry requirement is not as specific, but yes, the company needs the candidate who have the experience in inside sales and in telesales experience. So make sure that you hire candidates as per this criteria. And if you have these profiles, please refer us the candidates and earn. Thank you.